So we got to graph a logarithm here. So I'm going to bring my calculator up. It's log base 4 of x. So I go to y equals, I clear that out. Alpha window, and then number 5 gets me the logarithm. So log base 4 of x. Okay, now when I draw, I'm going to look at the graph of this. Notice we talked about this. It looks like it stops, but we said it doesn't actually stop there. All right, and then it's also got an error there on those ones. But we'll talk about what's going on there in a second here. All right, so number 1, it does not actually stop right here. It keeps going down like that. All right, it has a point at 0 or at 1, 0, and then at 4, 1. All right, and then the graph goes like this. Let's not use that big thick pen. Okay, and it goes off like that. So that's my y value, that's my x value, that's y equals log base 4 of x. Everything's labeled. All right, let's talk about other stuff going on here. Y-intercept, there isn't one. Okay, does not cross the y-axis because my asymptote is the y-axis. The y-axis coordinate or equation is x equals 0. The domain, all right, the domain is all x values that exist on this graph. Well, the x value never actually gets to 0. So the domain is 0 up to infinity, but it never gets to 0, so it gets a parenthesis, not a bracket. The range, well, the y values go all the way down here forever. They also keep going up and up and up and up and up. They go slowly, but they keep going up forever. So the range is negative infinity to infinity. And what you'll notice by these is either the domain or the range will be negative infinity to infinity, and the other one will have a stopping point. All right, they both won't be infinity to infinity. But one of them will have a stopping point. It'll have a stopping point at the bottom normally.